is right around the corner, so we're showing you how to play up simple costumes with accessories that will complete your look and are also stylish and elegant for everyday wear. An easy and classic costume is the 1920s flapper. For your base, all you're gonna need is a black dress and some heels to match. A flapper costume would not be complete without some pearl earrings. For a modern twist, go for the Ariel earrings in sterling silver, but if you want to stick to a classic look, the pearl is a great option. For something sweet but simple, dress up as an angel with a white dress and a cheap halo. To make your look extra heavenly, a dainty necklace will be your best bet. Two options are the Affinity and the Lily. Both have a simple chain, but the centerpieces are enough on their own to stand out. These necklaces are elegant enough to pair with your costume and to wear to work the very next day. If you're feeling spooky, go for a simplified version of a witch or a vampire. Bring out your black dress and black boots, then throw on a hat or a cape and let your accessories speak. These rings are called the halo, and each one features a bright and beautiful center stone. Once Halloween is over, you can still rock these rings on date nights, G&Os, and anywhere else you want to look a little more glammed up. And there you have it, 4 easy Halloween costumes and the best accessories to pair with them that you can keep on using throughout the year. From everyone at Modern Gents, we want to wish you a happy and safe Halloween. We'll see you guys in the next video.